The postpartum period is a lovely time with all the new experiences and responsibilities. Your wait for the little one is finally over, and your life is now all about your newborn baby. But let's face the reality, a mother who just delivered a child also needs the best care for recovering fully after the baby is born. The postpartum period is just after delivery, which includes sleepless nights, healing, and physical exhaustion. If you're a mother of a newborn or going through your third trimester, you must know the details already. It's very much important to ensure the best possible care for a mother during postpartum. Keeping that in mind, we came up with the 5 best postpartum care essentials, which will make your life smooth and easy, while taking the best care of your needs. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Giving birth to a baby is a wonderful experience, but the havoc you face down there doesn't need any explanation. Hospitals provide you with Peri bottles for cleaning the area, but the upside-down Peri bottle from FridaMom is designed in an ergonomic way to make your cleaning experience easy and hassle-free. This bottle is a relief on your postpartum days. It's an ergonomic squeeze bottle, which comes with an angled, narrow neck for your ease of use. This bottle provides a continuous stream of water right where you need it. The bottle can hold 10 ounces of water. It comes with a waterproof storage bag as well, and you can use it during your hospital days after delivery and back home for your comfort. Women who go through C-sections can also rely on this bottle for cleaning down there without any pressure. You can add 1 to 2 drops of witch hazel in the water for extra relief. This bottle comes in 2 different colors, and it's a wonderful option for your postpartum days to keep yourself clean and fresh on the go. The FridaMom Upside Down Peri bottle is a popular product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this bottle is amazing as it provides a gentle wash down there, and it's a must-have during postpartum days. But besides all the positive reviews, some users said that the bottle leaked and created problems. Let's check out the ratings. Breastfeeding your baby is essential for their development and well-being. Due to continuous breastfeeding, often the nipples get dry, sore, or cracked, creating discomfort. The Earth Mama organic nipple butter promises to take care of your nipples and keep them perfectly moisturized. This nipple butter is enriched with the goodness of all natural ingredients. It contains organic olive, beeswax, cocoa, calendula flower extract, and many more organic ingredients. It has a soothing and non-sticky formula to keep your nipples moisturized. This is the first non-GMO project verified nipple cream, which is safe for babies, so you don't need to wash the cream off before feeding your baby. This nipple butter is dermatologist tested and clinically tested for irritation as well. This herbal balm is lanolin free. You can use it on other parts of your body where dry skin occurs and see the outcomes for yourself. The Earth Mama organic nipple butter has earned thousands of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the users, this product takes care of your nipples, heals, and provides calming effects. It's great for dry areas of your skin as well, but some of them complained that they weren't satisfied with the product. It's time to rate this. Whether you are breastfeeding or simply enjoy being comfy, the Kindred Bravely Nursing Sleep Bra will give you the ultimate comfort with its fine fabric. These bras are made with 92% rayon of bamboo and 8% spandex. They are ultra soft and do not contain any hooks or spans, which make them a great choice for breastfeeding mothers. The bras have an easy pull on the style for ease of use. They are wire-free and it doesn't come with any pads, and it provides a light support. The bras are also a perfect companion during your pregnancy. These maternity bras offer a gentle support during pregnancy while you sleep. They are great for midnight nursing sessions and for keeping breast pads in place. You can also wear them for yoga sessions or lounging. The Kindred Bravely Nursing Sleep Bra is an award-winning product which comes in different sizes according to your necessity. This product has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love these nursing bras as they are super comfortable and breathable. It's a great product for nursing moms, and the material is comfy enough for worry-free use. But some of the users said that they faced issues after wearing the bra. Time to check out the ratings. Hemorrhoids are a common thing during pregnancy and postpartum. These may cause itching and burning sensations, making you feel irritated. The Tux Medicated cooling pads are a great solution for your postpartum hemorrhoids. These pads contain witch hazel, which helps to soothe and protect your irritated areas. They also aid in protecting irritated anorectal areas as well. These pads provide hygienic care, as they can be used to clean outer rectal and vaginal areas for a soothing relief from the irritation caused by hemorrhoids. The pads can also be folded and used as a moist compress on inflamed tissue. These pads are ultra soft and pH balanced. They are hypoallergenic and dye-free as well. The Tux Medicated cooling pads are a hugely popular product among its users, and it has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love the product as it works great on hemorrhoids and helps with pain and itching. But some of them complain that the product didn't really work for them. Time to check out the ratings. Postpartum care is incomplete without choosing the best disposable underwear for maximum comfort. Keeping that in mind, the Always Discreet Incontinence underwear is our preferred postpartum underwear, which we have chosen for today's video. This product is designed to keep you comfy and worry-free. It has a rapid dry core, double leak guards, and an odor lock technology. The rapid dry core helps to pull, trap, and lock away any wetness and odor, and it covers you from the back to the front. It also provides heavy leak protection during day and night, keeping your worries away. The double leak guard helps in preventing leaks where they are most likely to occur. The odor lock technology neutralizes odor and keeps you refreshed throughout the day. This incontinence underwear is made with a cotton-like fabric which is gentle. It has a soft waistband that follows your body's curves for extra comfort. It stays in place and keeps you going through the day, even when you're facing a large amount of leakage. This product has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews from users, the underwear works great on your heavy period days. It provides you with comfort and keeps you confident on the go, although some users said that they had issues with the sizes of the product. Let's check out the ratings. So those were our top 5 postpartum care essentials. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.